Hi, I'm Ty. You're watching Osmo Mobile Tutorials. Well, you'll learn how to get the most out of your device. The DJI Go app, paired with an Osmo Mobile, gives you full manual control of the camera on your phone. Enter camera mode to start taking photos. If you just want to snap a quick pic, use the default automatic mode. If you want a bit more control, tap the camera icon and choose manual mode. You can adjust ISO, shutter speed, or white balance by tapping on them in the bar at the top of the interface. You can also adjust focus by tapping directly on the desired subject in your frame. To adjust exposure automatically, tap your finger on the screen and a sun icon will appear. Drag your finger up to make the image brighter and down to make it darker. You can also set a timer to delay photo capture so that you can get in the shot too. Tap on the picture icon, choose single, and select the desired delay interval. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Osmo Mobile tutorials.